Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation again. For this time, I'm so excited to give you some of the new vocabularies related to your feelings. So for this time, my topic is pleasant and unpleasant. So for part one, A, happiness and unhappiness. So I want to give you many of the vocabularies here to related to your feelings. For the first one vocabulary is you feel. So what you feel? Okay, you feel stunted. Stunted means explain that when you are married in love or spiritually live uplifted for some reason. Okay, content. You feel content. Okay, content means when you are peaceful and satisfied with what you have. Okay, cheerful. You feel cheerful. Cheerful means when life is looking quite bright and positive. Okay, the next one is you feel grateful when someone has done for you. When someone has done you a favor. Okay, delighted. Delighted means you feel delighted. It means when something has happened that gives you great pleasure. When you hear news of someone good fortune, for instance. Okay, move on to the next one. For the next one, part is happiness and happiness too. Well, the next vocabularies I want to give you. Okay, you feel misenabled. So it's worth explaining that when everything seems wrong in your life, okay, you feel uh, discontent. Okay, it means when your life is not giving you satisfaction. Okay, the next one is you feel displaced. It means when you are misabled over a long period of time. Also, depression is considered an illness in some cases. Okay, for the next vocabulary is frustrated. Frustrated. It means when you are unable to do something that you want to do. It means like that. Okay, you feel confused and mixed up. It means when you control mindset of different conflicting and feeling or ideas. So mixed up is more colloquial. Okay, the next part is excitement and angered and excited. Okay, for these vocabularies you must know. I want to give you the meaning. You can take your note in your notebook and I'm going to explain to you. So you feel excited. So we only know that right, excited. It means when you expecting something special to happen. For example, before a party, before a meeting with someone special. You are so excited, right? It's me like that. Okay. For that word inspire. Inspires me when you are stimulated to create deeps or words. You might feel inspired after listening to some very powerful music. Okay. It's very important to know that. Or you might be inspired to action by friends. Okay. For the next one is enthusiastic. Okay, it means that when you have very positive feeling about something, for example a new project, you are very interesting to do. It means you are very interesting to do. It means like that, a new project, or you are very interesting to do. Okay, for the next one is thrilled. It means when something is extremely exciting and pleasant happen quite a colloquial was. It means she was thrilled when the film star kissed her. Okay, it's mean like that. Okay, for the next one is cross. Cross mean is you feel cross, right? So when you are angry or bad tempered, because it's often thought not exclusively used about small children. Quite a colloquial word. Okay, it's the meaning of cross. For the next part B, it also explain the new vocabularies. So you can see that here in the screen. You can see the instant clean. You feel furious, livid, saddened. It's me. When you are extremely angry, livid and saddened are more informative. So quite a colloquial word. So for the next one is anxious. Anxious means when you are afraid and uncertain about the future. So for example, I'm so anxious about the result of my exam. I can't sleep. It's me like that. Okay, it's the new vocabularies I give you. So nervous me, we already know that nervous is me afraid. It's like afraid. So it was explaining that when you are afraid or anxious about something that is about to or maybe about to happen. Okay, move on to the next one. Apprehensive. Apprehensive means when you are slightly nervous or anxious about something in the future. It's called apprehensive. Worry. Worry, we only know this about the meanings, the worry. So when anxious thoughts are consistently going through your head. Okay, but the next one is upset. We know that the vocabulary of asset, the asset. So when something unpleasant has happened to distract you, it often combines feelings of both sadness and anger. So for my presentation, I would like to give you the words that related to your feelings. You can use this vocabulary when you see your friends outside. When you What do you feel? How do you feel? You can use this vocabulary. I hope that you learned something from me. You have know that about new vocabularies here and give you. So thank you so much. Thank you for your listening.